Rotate the e-stick at least 6 times until you see the LED indicator turns yellow. Okay, now we start calibration. 你们可以开始转。
行，开吧。来吧，这3圈差不多。那你开始拍了吗？
Now we start calibration in horizontal direction. When the LED indicator turns green light, solid green is finished, then we calibrate in vertical direction. Yeah, the LED indicator should be at top. Rotate about 3 cycles until the indicator turns light. Red, yellow, and green. Now it's finished. 下一步。
现在不会就展开了呢？
Now we put the water tank. Refill water and chemical and put it up. And then unfold the frame. The propeller. Unfold all the frame and the propellers. And check the frame. Make sure all the holding joints are tight and the screws are tight. And the hose and connectors are tight. Okay, and check the propeller and the motor direction. You can see this one is counterclockwise, CCW, and there's an arrow this side. And the motor, there's an arrow this side. So the propeller and the motor should be same direction. And we also check others. This one is clockwise, CW, and this is the arrow this side, and the motor this side. So it's correct. You should check all the motors and propellers before takeoff. Also check the direction of the obstacle radar and the ground tracking radar. The angle should be 15 degrees, and the ground tracking radar should be flat, should be horizontal to the ground.